Welcome to the world of car parts. We hope you are having a great day and hope to make your day even better. Introducing Prefer Auto Parts, where our genuine concern for our customers and our expertise in car parts meets precision. Our roots run deep in delivering excellence, catering to the world's finest automobiles. Uncompromising quality, unbeatable prices, find your perfect auto part here. Our headquarters in Warren, Michigan, a suburb of Detroit, showcases our experience with car specialists in the heart of the automobile industry. Our global call centers ensure seamless service from the time your part is ordered to the time it arrives at your door or at your favorite repair shop. We collaborate with over 75 Grade A suppliers, providing a range of parts at prices that match your expectations. Discover an extraordinary collection of OEM and remanufactured parts for all of your automobile needs. Attention to detail drives us. Our experts curate an unparalleled inventory, ensuring meticulous quality before each delivery. Each part is carefully inspected before they leave the warehouse. From engines to transmissions, our parts are delivered with utmost care and speed, while we update you with the latest information on the invoice, order, tracking, and payment details. Trust in our secure payment system that is PCI DSS compliant. We are committed to providing you with parts at the best price and safeguarding your data through self-input. Rest assured, we never see nor store your credit card details. Our commitment to excellence is reflected through the smiles of our customers. Check out our reviews from our many satisfied customers. Experience exceptional service. Call our car specialists at 1-800-807-9296 for all of your auto parts needs. Check our financing options if you need them.